Summer Rain was the very first FEVRMOON track. This is the first beat that I made where I felt like it was good enough to warrant turning into a full song. So the first thing I came up with on this was this riff. I thought that was pretty awesome. And then I just do the exact same thing down an octave. So it was a while ago when I made this track. I was really just learning how to do stuff at the time. I had just gotten Complete Ultimate from Native Instruments. Like the piano is just this guy, the Grandeur. On the second verse, I used this for the electronic drums, and I think this is just a preset.
Summer rain, there's the fountain.
Yeah, it's pretty cool electronic kick. There's all kinds of thematic sounds that ended up becoming the core elements of FEVRMOON, like the clock ticking. There's a lot of nature sounds, wind and rain and thunder, all that kind of stuff. It gives it a vibe. This is a cool sound. This was another set of plugins that I had just bought, the Sound Toys, and I'm using the crystallizer. This is what you call a granular delay. It's just great for making weird noises. This sound, I ended up liking this. This is a sound I made in Alchemy. I was just messing around doing sound design. I ended up liking this sound so much that I took the exact sample and like pitched it and put it in a bunch of other FEVRMOON tracks. But that's kind of what it's about, like find the really cool sounds and use them again throughout an album to give the album a sense of continuity. I'm going to show you now how I built up the chorus. It's a little more rock than I do these days, but it's still kind of cool. I'll just show you kind of how I do a rock production. I wanted this song to be like half electronic and half almost folk. So for drums, I wanted to do like a rock sound for this section, so real drums. So for real drums, I use Logic's built-in drum kit. And then I throw a little bit of real tambourine on there just to make it more organic. A little fiddle. John just happened to be at my house one day when I had just finished, and I remembered that I had seen him sing before. I saw him do a concert in his parents' living room. I thought he had an awesome voice, so I asked him, hey, you want to try and get on this track? From the very first note, I could tell that he was the perfect voice. He just had this kind of earnestness to his voice. I was really happy with how it came out, but I wasn't quite sure what to do with it. So it just kind of sat on my hard drive for over a year. Eventually, we decided to do some more.